What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be styling my toddler's hair. Now usually I do my baby girl's hair once a week on Sundays before the start of school, but I tried to prolong it this time, trying to see if I can push it to 2 weeks, but as you can see, it's looking rough. So I'm gonna go in with some mane and tail conditioner and water mixed together and just saturate her hair with that to help, start the process of moisturizing her hair, making it easier to have the comb slide through there for me. After that, I'm gonna go in with some virgin coconut oil and I'm gonna apply about a quarter size amount and really just work that into her hair. Like I said, I'm trying to loosen all those braids up in there to make it easier for me to take it down. I try to move really quickly when I do her hair. She's really well-mannered and she'll sit there and let me style her hair, but I don't want her sitting there for longer than she really needs to because she wants to get down and play and move around and such. So I try to work fast. But I'm gonna go ahead and separate the front section from the back, and all I'm really gonna do, guys, is take a comb. This comb right here, I'm gonna use like that sharp side to pick out those braids. I'm then going to detangle it gently and apply more coconut oil as needed, and then I'm going to twist it up, and that's pretty much it. I do this type of style when her hair is looking rough like this and I don't really want to go through and do my whole routine again, washing it and then braiding it, because it's only Wednesday at this point. But that's pretty much it, guys. I will be back on here a little bit later to chime in and talk to you. But for now, I'll just let you guys enjoy this relaxing takedown and retwisting video. Thanks for tuning in. Say bye bye.